Hey everyone, it's Lisa from the blog farmhouseonboone.com, and today I'm going to share with you 3 more one-dish fall meals. I did a similar video to this a few weeks back where I shared some easy weeknight meals that all can go in one pot, so you don't have to get a whole bunch of things dirty, things that'll be really quick and easy, and I wanted to do a part 2 on that. The first thing on the list is a zuppa Tuscana soup. This is such a cozy fall meal. I love how easily it comes together. Start off by dicing bacon and adding that to a large Dutch oven or a large soup pot. Cook that over medium heat until it's nice and crispy. After cooking the bacon, I strained off a little of the bacon grease to use at a different time because there was just too much. Then throw in some diced onions and garlic. Next, I add in a pound of pork sausage. And once that is nicely cooked, add in some diced potatoes. Next, I just added in some broth and allowed the potatoes to simmer until they were nice and soft. To finish it off, I added in diced kale and cream. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Such a cozy, comforting soup. Everybody in the family loved it, from my pickiest to us who aren't picky at all, obviously. And it got lapped right up. I want to take a quick break from sharing these 3 one-dish fall meals to tell you about today's video sponsor, Thrive Market. Now, as you can see, I shot half of this video before I had the baby. I shot some of it while I was in labor, and then I am shooting a part of it after the baby. So this is what happens whenever you're trying to plan around having a child. If you follow along, you've definitely heard of Thrive Market before. They are an online grocery store. They deliver directly to your door. They have free shipping on orders over $49, which is never hard for me to accomplish. They have everything from my everything bagel seasoning to coconut aminos to dried fruit, organic grains and pastas and einkorn products. I love that I can get things there that I simply cannot find around here. I can't find einkorn anywhere, not einkorn flour, pasta, nothing. And so I can find that kind of stuff on Thrive Market. I especially love their grocery store brand, their Thrive Market brand, because it's inexpensive. You can sort search results on Thrive Market by dietary preference, which makes it really convenient if you are gluten-free, dairy-free, paleo, vegan, whatever dietary preference you have. Thrive Market is offering you 30% off your first order plus a free gift when you use my link, thrivemarket.com/farmhouseonboone. The next thing on the list is a 1-pan chicken and rice. Now, to make this fall version, I also did add in some butternut squash. Now, I started this by browning the skin of some bone-in chicken breast with oil and a hot skillet. I set that aside and added some mushrooms, and diced butternut squash. And then a couple of cups of rice. Added the chicken back in, as well as some broth and some salt, and just allowed that to cook with the lid on until the rice was nice and fluffy. The final thing for this edition of One Dish Fall Meals is a harvest hash plus feta cheese. I started by dicing bacon and cooking it in a cast iron skillet. I added diced butternut squash, Brussels sprouts, diced apples, a little bit of maple syrup, and some diced potatoes. And cooked all of that until everything was soft and mostly cooked through. I made wells for eggs, added the eggs, and then baked it in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes or until the eggs are cooked but not overly done. For me, the goal is the yolk still a bit runny so that it can kind of spill out into the veggies. Tastes so good. And then I topped it with a little feta cheese. A hash is great because you can do whatever veggies you have, whatever's in season. You can add cumin or a little cinnamon for fall time. In the summer, maybe add some fresh basil or whatever herbs you have available. Top it with eggs, top it with cheese, and you have an easy one dish meal. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed these 3 one dish fall meals. If you are brand new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.